Want to use TradingView's powerful tools with your Deriv account? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect them step by step so you can start trading smarter. Let's make your trading setup seamless and efficient. Let's get started. First, open a Deriv account and sign in. If you don't have one yet, go to deriv.com and create your account. It's quick and easy. Next, click Traders Hub in the top right corner of your Deriv dashboard. This will give you access to different trading platforms that Deriv offers. Then scroll down and find Deriv X, the platform that supports TradingView integration. If you don't have a Deriv X account yet, click to create one, then click Web Terminal to launch it. After that, log in using your TradingView username and password directly inside the Deriv X interface. Finally, it will automatically sync with your TradingView chart. This allows you to trade using Deriv while analyzing and managing trades on TradingView in real time. And that's how you connect Deriv to TradingView with just a few simple clicks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides like this. See you next time!